Hey sis, hey, I see you. Nah, I don't really see you, but here's Mommy of the Street Brothers, Love for. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And if y'all have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Anyways, today I'm coming to ya with a hairdo haul. Psych, it ain't no haul. With a hairdo style. I wanted to show y'all how awesome this thing is for your hair if y'all have not bought it or used it yet. It is the Revlon blow dryer brush, and it is bomb diggity bomb. And I wanted to show y'all how I be doing my hair. So if y'all see me looking like this, it's because I'm about to do my hair for y'all, sis. And I want to show y'all that I use the Design Line Hot Stop Thermal Protector. It looks like this, and it's a heat protector for my hair. So let's get started, y'all. Let's get started. My hair is wet. You can use it on wet hair. I just got out the shower. And y'all know on Friday, I had gotten my hair trimmed or cut an inch. So this is how long my hair is. Past my shoulders a little bit. So I'm going to brush it out. And I'm going to show y'all how this thing works. So I take my heat protector spray like this, and I flip my hair upside down, and I spray it everywhere. Then I take one of my clips like this, and I put my hair up halfway, or like a lot of way, because I'm gonna start with the bottom. So I start like that. Now I just had a baby 3.5 months ago, so I normally have postpartum hair loss after they're born, about 4 months and up, and I'm praying my hair do not fall out against this, because it is a struggle. So let's plug this in so I can show you. And I put my kids to nap because I have them on a set schedule. I put them a nap so I can do this video for y'all. So there is three settings: cool, low, high, and the off button. Cool, low, high, and the off button. And I normally put it on low because I don't want to damage my hair. So, oops, it wasn't low. All right, let's start, sis. And I go like this. I curl it under. See how wet this looks right here, sis? And see how more drier this is? It is so easy to do and fast. Cuts you on time, big time. So you keep doing it like this. Yes, sis. That's how you do it with this brush. Now everybody does it differently, but this is how I do. See how I'm going under? Then I go on top. Keep doing it a couple of times. And it does wonders, wonders. Now the bottom is all dried. Now I'm gonna go to the next section. Take it off. And I don't know if y'all know, for all my new subbies that haven't been here for a while, I've been growing out my pixie cut since last December. And my hair has grown a little bit longer than this because I just got it trimmed. So my hair has grown quite much since the pixie cut. So it has been a journey. So let's take this again. Spray a little. Now if you have fine hair like me, you need a little because it can grease up. And we don't want to do that. So you see how wet this is? Let's see what it's doing. Now you go slow. You go slow, sis. You go slow because you want to get it dry all the way. See how fluffy it's getting? Wonder. You want to make sure you get to the root too, so the root can be dry and it don't be curly if y'all have curly hair. And if y'all a hairstylist and y'all work at the hair salon, y'all should use this on your clients. See how dry it is? Dry. So I'm going to continue to do the rest and I will show you when I'm halfway done. Alright sis, it's coming along great. Look how, now it's going to be a little bit like frizzy, but I go over it with a flat iron and I will show you my flat iron that I use as well. But this review is for the Revlon hairbrush. So I'm going to continue doing it and then I'm going to show y'all. Now comment below if y'all like how this is coming out. I'm going to continue doing the rest all the way through, okay? this is the last piece. Now I'm all done using the Revlon. This is how it came out to be. Now remember, the only product that I used was this. Okay? And I have curly, well, not curly, but I have wavy curly hair, and I did it down. Now I do use my flat iron that I'm gonna show you. When I went to get my hair cut or trimmed or whatever, I had bought this product right here. Oh God, you guys can see my ring light. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put the description and the link underneath the description information. But it's called Kenra Platinum Texturizing Taffy. And the girl had used only a little bit in my hair. It's some right here. That's what it looks like. It's like a light purple color. Ooh, and it's like sticky icky. Now I'm gonna put a dab like this and rub it in my hair and go like this. See how that works. I'm gonna use a little bit more like this. I don't like putting a lot of product in my hair because I have fine hair and it weighs it down. But you can use this brush anyway. I like going up and down, up and down. The flips and stuff, it doesn't bother me at all. Like, it does not bother me at all. So that's how it looks dried out with this. And then I'm gonna use my flat iron to go over it. And I have bought this flat iron at Sally's Beauty Supply. It's the GVP. And it's bomb. It's like an imitation of dupe of Chi. And it's like that. Has on and off button and the temperature thing. So I'll go like this. And I'll leave the bottom just like how I did when I flat ironed it. I mean, just like how I did when I used the brush. Oops. Clip my hair up. And I just go over it. I got my coffee, y'all. My Starbucks coffee, y'all. I got my coffee, y'all. This is my second cup for today. And I just go over it. See how smooth it got? Just go over it one or two times. Bring the hair back down. Now I don't flat iron all my hair because the bottom is going to be like covered, but I do, like now I'm going to bring it down And I'm going to flat iron the front a little bit so the frizzy could go away. See what I'm doing, sis? Now, y'all ain't got to do it like me, but I do it my way because it's better like that. My way for me. But everybody to each his own. And if y'all wondering what nationality I am Puerto Rican, 100% Puerto Rican, born in New York, raised in Pennsylvania, and live in Florida now. All right, y'all. I hope y'all liked my little video for the Revlon hairbrush dryer. I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys with the love of God. Love, sis. Mommy of the Street Brothers. Love for.